Want to make your voice sound professional and radio quality without spending any money? In this video, I will show you how to enhance your voice using AI for free. Whether you are a YouTuber or a podcaster, or just want a better audio for online meetings, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. So the first steps to make your voice sounds professional is to record a clean audio. First, start with decent microphone. Even your phone mic will do the work. First, find a quiet room. Speak close to the mic, but not too close to avoid distortion. Use a pop filter or even a sock to reduce plosives. Now let's clean it in the AI tools. Go on your browser, then type Ophonic. Click on the first link. Then click on Login, sign in using your Google account or your Apple account. So for me, it's already registered. All you have to do is to click on Google account, then type your Gmail, then your password, then click on Continue to be on this page. Now, all you have to do is to drop your audio. Select the audio you want to enhance, then click. Before start production, just use this option, Voice Cleaner, remove breathing. Click on the start production. So this is the result. I will show it to you. Want to make your voice sound professional and radio quality? Want to make your voice sound professional and radio quality? Did you see the difference between the two voices, before and after? Yes, for me, I recommend to use Ophonic instead of podcast Adobe Enhancer. So it is the same process. Use your Google account, Facebook or Apple. It gives you 3 options here. Then scroll down and upload. Choose a file. Upload your audio. Then give them some time. I've tried the 2 tools, but I prefer the Ophonic instead of Adobe Podcast. It gives you the best output. Thank you for watching this video. If you found that this information are helpful, do not forget to subscribe on our channel.